Students, so we have been discussing this chapter 4, work and energy, and in this chapter we have covered these contents till now. We have discussed about the work, then energy, then forms of energy we have discussed, then various forms of mechanical energy we have discussed, then we have discussed how potential energy has been converted into the kinetic energy. Then we have discussed about the power, what is power, then what is the SI and practical unit of the power, and the factors which affect the power spent by the source. Now we are left with only two topics, that is difference between power and energy and difference between power and work. So in today's video we will discuss these two topics. So let's start the discussion. So first of all, we already knew that power is the rate of doing work and energy is the ability to do some useful work. So whatever energy has been spent, that energy is used to do some useful work. And how fast or how slow a work has been done, that is indicated by power. So let's discuss few differences between power and energy. So these are the few differences. Energy is defined as capacity to do work. It is a power which is integrated upon over time, whereas power is defined as the rate at which a specific work is done or which the energy is transmitted. That is how fast or how slow work has been done and how the energy is transmitted. The SI unit that is used to measure energy is joule or watt second, whereas the unit that is used to measure the watt or joule per second, and sometimes practically we are using the unit as horsepower also. Various types of energy that we knew and we have studied. Kinetic energy is there, thermal energy is there, potential energy, gravitational energy, sound energy, electromagnetic, and so on. So these are the various types of energy, and due to this energy the different kinds of power are electric power, then optical power, then human power, and etc. Energy is known to be stored which can be used in future. So we can store the energy which we can use in the future, but power is not storable or cannot be stored. Energy is used in moving a car, heating home, lighting night, flying an aeroplane, and power find its use in mechanical applications, electrical applications, and heat applications, like the power which is used to run an engine. So engine power has been indicated in terms of horsepower, or the power of an electric bulb, that is indicated in terms of the watt. So these are the few differences between energy and the power. Next is, what is the difference between power and work? So power is the rate of doing work, that we already knew, and work we know that the work is said to be done whenever we apply a force on an object and object starts moving in the direction of the force. So let's discuss few differences between power and work. So work is a scalar quantity. Similarly, power is a scalar quantity. Scalar quantity means the quantity which is only having the magnitude. For example, speed. So whenever we suppose you are driving your bike and the meter indicates some quantity on the speedometer, that is 40 km per hour. So that 40 km per hour is known as the speed, and it is a scalar quantity. Similarly, work is also a scalar quantity. It only contains magnitude, not direction. Similarly, power also contains only value, not direction. That is why we never take the negative power. The unit that is used to measure work we already knew is joule, like in case of energy also, whereas the SI unit of power is watt, or also we say SI unit of power is also joule per second, because power is work done upon time. So work is, SI unit of work is joule and SI unit of time is second. So unit of power is also joule per second, that is in unit time how much work has been done. The expression, mathematical expression for work is force into displacement. That is, whenever the body displaces from its position in the direction of the force, then we can calculate the work done by the force. Whereas power is work done upon time taken. That is, how fast or how slow a work has been done. Other units of work that we used to measure is electron volt, kilowatt hour. This is the commercial unit that is used to measure the electrical energy consumed in our houses or offices. Then megawatt hour and gigawatt hour. Similarly, energy is also measured in units like kilowatt, megawatt, gigawatt. Like you must have seen the power that is generated in the electricity power plant in terms of megawatt and gigawatt. And kilowatt you must have heard, like in your household heaters, geysers, they are rated in terms of kilowatt. So these are the few differences between the work and the power. So this is the end of this chapter. We have discussed all the topics, and everything. So that's all for today. Thank you.